Hey there, and welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Frontier, a national provider of both DSL and fiber internet service. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. Frontier is a large provider with coverage in many parts of the United States. Frontier serves 2.8 million customers. That's not a mega giant like Spectrum, AT&T, or Xfinity, but Frontier is still one of the 10 biggest U.S. internet providers. Out of Frontier's entire network, about 36% is fiber and 64% is still DSL. That's important because Frontier will give you a good deal on fiber, but their DSL varies widely and will give you a lot less at a higher price. Let's start by looking at Frontier pricing. Frontier is unusual because it starts its first tier fiber plan at 500 megabits per second, or a half a gig. That's a lot faster than most other first tier plans. And for about $50 a month, you'll be getting fiber's symmetrical upload and download speeds. That's a pretty good deal. But Frontier's DSL is not a bargain. You'll pay the same $50 a month, but your DSL speed will be much slower. DSL usually doesn't get much faster than 25 megabits per second download and 1 to 3 megabits per second upload. And sometimes DSL is way slower than that. Frontier's DSL service does have one pricing perk though. You'll get a 24-month price lock on Frontier DSL plans. It's good to know what to expect from your internet bill. Frontier also does not use data caps on fiber or DSL plans, so you won't have any unexpected overage charges. Overall, we give Frontier 4 stars for pricing. Frontier's fiber pricing is a much better deal than their DSL, but we like their predictable pricing for both. Next, we'll explore reliability and performance. We're still facing the same split in fiber versus DSL here. Your Frontier fiber is going to give you great performance and symmetrical, lightning-fast speeds. Your Frontier DSL will be much slower and may glitch for streaming or gaming. So we have to split the difference and award Frontier 4 stars for reliability and performance. Their fiber is a great choice. Let's move on to equipment and installation. Fiber customers will get a free technician installation, but DSL customers will have a required $85 fee for a technician installation. But both DSL and fiber customers get their modem and router at no extra charge to use on their Frontier plans. So we give Frontier 4 stars for equipment and installation. Time to check out Frontier's customer support. Since Frontier started building out fiber, their customer satisfaction ratings have improved drastically. In the past, Frontier's ratings have been low in the J.D. Power customer satisfaction surveys. But with their recent improvement, we'd say there's a strong chance you'll be happy with Frontier fiber. DSL will be a little more of a risk, so we give Frontier 3 stars for customer experience and support. Here's a recap of what to expect from Frontier Internet. We give Frontier a solid overall rating of 3.8 stars. We recommend Frontier fiber, but if all you can get is DSL, check out your other options. And that's the Straight Talk on Frontier. Come back to see us for more reviews and info. To see which internet providers cover your area, visit our website at CompareInternet.com, where we have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider for you. See you soon.